Alright bros, feel accomplished today. We got the garage all cleaned up. Went ahead and cleaned all this up. because it was extremely dusty. Went ahead and organized some stuff as well. Blew everything down, get all the Bondo dust off of everything, cleaned out the entire garage. Best of all, got the car looking great. It is gonna still need a little bit of work, just like stuff like that. You know, we have some, what do you want to call it, vinyl that still needs to come off, like right here as well. So we're gonna have to take these louvers off to get all the vinyl on the inside. Same thing right here, we got to get this trim off to get all the vinyl off there. This fender is really good, except I'm getting these little cracks. So it's very smooth, you somewhat can feel them. I don't want to risk it, so this fender, that section, or at least just on those parts, we're gonna get that redone. I mean, look at that, the windows look great. Looks like a really clean car again. Everything else is looking awesome. Wheels look very clean. Car has not been this clean, guys, in quite a while. So soon enough, her color change is gonna be on and done. I'm excited. I'm so excited. I can't wait. It's gonna look really good. So yeah, we just gotta take care of that fender, pull the headlights off as well, because as you can see, we have vinyl here. So we still have to do all of that little things, and then maybe just some light sanding on just some places. Wing is looking really good. Need to build up a little bit more in this section right here. Same thing with right here. This is kind of a low spot, so got to do that. This is all looking really good. It's not done by any means, but you know, this is looking good. A little bit more here. Pretty much all of this whole back end still has to be done. I think I want to pull the trunk off, to be honest, because it's hard to hold the trunk up and to get back in here and sand. So we may actually end up pulling the trunk off, put it on my where are they at, my stands that I have, and actually work it that way. We might just do that. But other than that, the car is, I would say, 95% ready for the new color. Everything else, the other 5%, is pretty basic stuff. So pretty easy, shouldn't take long, but I am so stoked. Let's get her pulled back in the garage and call it a day. You guys heard that rattle, really don't know what that is, so actually I'm gonna have my girlfriend come out. It has to be something stupid, a loose bolt. I'm gonna have my girlfriend come out, put the car in reverse for me so I can try and see exactly what it is that's causing that. But I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now off camera because it's not that big of a deal. But I do want to address something though, guys, the taillights. So if you guys aren't following me on Instagram, I did talk about this already the other day, and I'm gonna let you guys know who aren't following me. The taillights over there, I put the rings in, but the smaller side of the ring lights up really nicely. The bigger ring is pretty dull. Not only that, but it's a different shade red. So I ordered new big ones, so they should be here, I think, on the 14th or something like that, so next week sometime. And then when those come in, we'll test it, but pretty much they're ready to be mounted for the most part. I don't know if you guys can see, I have the little holes drilled right there and right there. So they're pretty much drilled out and for the wires to go through. So they're pretty much ready to be put back together. I just need to figure out the light situation because I don't want to put it all back together, not be happy with it, and take it back apart. The other thing is the red parts. I think I'm just gonna keep them, so it's even more work that I'd have to do. But I realized the OEM red tail lights come with those parts clear. So I was gonna change it out, all the red parts for the clear parts, but that's just more work. I don't think the red looks bad at all. So I think I'm just gonna keep it, and maybe in the future we'll redo it. I don't know, but that's the issue with the tail lights. So when will I drop a video? When those new rings come in and I start to try to get that a little bit more situated. The tail light is extremely dusty, but it's also a gloss black now. Everywhere I go, even online, they do not make semi-gloss clear anymore for whatever reason. So ended up just doing gloss black. I went to Home Depot, AutoZone, Pet Boys, O'Reilly's, Walmart. I even checked online, cannot find any anywhere. So they are going to be gloss black now. So that's where I'm gonna leave this video off. If you guys enjoyed it, please make sure to smash that thumbs up and subscribe if you aren't already. We are just a little bit past 2,900 subscribers, so close to 3,000 guys. Get at it, hit that subscribe button. I know a lot of you guys are watching my videos and you aren't subscribed. I could tell by just checking everything on my eBay account, my YouTube account, and that's pretty much what it's telling me. About 65 to 70% of you guys are watching my videos and you guys aren't subscribed. So just go ahead and subscribe. It's free. A lot of great stuff to come. And while you guys are at it, go follow me on TikTok. We're blowing up pretty quick on there. I actually had a video hit almost 200,000 views. It's pretty cool. I wish my YouTube would be like that, but maybe we'll have to give up YouTube and just do TikTok full time. But anyways, guys, yeah. Subscribe if you guys aren't already. It really does help me out a lot. Same with that thumbs up. Hit that thumbs up if you guys like this video. Follow me on TikTok as well. I'll put it right here on the screen. Hope to catch you all in the next one. And until next time, guys, as always, peace out and stay safe.